Hello everyone, it's Catherine with Adore Perfect Pups, and here today I have Cha-Cha and Barkley's Cavalier Puppies. They are 5 weeks old today. These little guys are AKC registered. The parents are OFA tested and genetic tested. Let's see. The female is wearing the purple collar. We named her Teresa. She has a beautiful chocolate and tan coat with white party. And we're gonna get your weight. She is 1.5 pounds. These guys are so little. And next we have Tristan. He has the red collar on. Look at him. He is so cute. He's got just a little bit more some tan markings on his face. Absolutely adorable. And we're gonna get your weight. He weighs 1.3 pounds. Oh, your toenails are stuck in the blanket. Let's see. So, we have Tristan and Teresa. These little guys, they're going to be about 16 to 20 pounds as adults, and that's based on the parents' weight. And if you would like some more information, you can check out our website. It's adoreperfectpups.com. And thank you for watching.